is Reza here from Montage XRC. A very good morning to you. This is my very first unboxing, official unboxing. So this package came in just about 15 minutes ago. As you can see, it's huge. Alright, let's see what this is. This is the Redcat Rampage XRE Rally. So by comparison, I just put the 10 scale Team Redcat TRMT10E on top of the box to give you a sense of the scale. This is 110 scale. It's also known as the Team Magic E5. So let's see how it looks like. We'll do a quick unboxing and also a quick comparison between this guy and the X-Maxx. I have the X-Maxx standing by in the background, so I hope to get this done in less than 10 minutes, folks. So just give me a quick one. Let me cut it open with my trusty Spyderco. Alright, and then we'll walk you through exactly what's in the box. Alright, oh my gosh, it's huge. Boxes of tools, I suppose. Transmitter, I suppose. Let's get to the meat of it. Oh, cool. Some tiny cones. I think this is very helpful when you're playing outside and you need to make a little track. The usual stuff. And the meat of it. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try and get it out. Alright, shell first. Shell, folks. Okay. It's nice. I've seen the shell online, but I don't quite like the decals on it. So I just might get MCI Racing to do some custom decals for this thing. So remove the very gaudy Redcat stickers on it and replace it with something better. But the shell looks like it's an amazing quality, guys. Okay, let's get all this plastic out of the way. Okay, so we're gonna take out this layer and show you. Okay, so thick quality Lexan, very nice plastic. Check out the spoiler, guys. The spoiler is nice and solid and beefy, so good. This is very well done. The shape is likely a Ford. Okay, this model has been around for at least 4 years, I think 4 or 5 years. You know, so it's not popular. So I think Redcat is about to discontinue this product or put in a new model. So it's on sale actually on most Redcat dealer websites. I got it from redcatdealer.com from Carl. So hit him up with an email. He'll give you a good price on this guy. Okay, so from a decal perspective, you can see this is alright, but not with this funny Redcat thing. This one, I'll probably peel all of this out. Okay, so they don't look very good, but they did well on the decals for the headlight. Let's see on the front. Yeah, they did well for the grille. It's pretty alright. The RCR in the corner is not too gaudy, so that's fine. I'll probably leave it there. But overall, folks, the decal is, the shell is very, very good quality, extremely good quality. Let's turn around to the back. Again, the plate here, Redcat, this cannot be peeled up. It's together one piece, so maybe you might want to sticker something over here if you don't like the word Redcat, right? So, but the shell leaves a lot of room and space for you to do some custom decal job on this guy. Unfortunately, they don't sell the clear shell. So let's put this aside and get this guy out. Okay. Alright, this is it. I'm gonna let it sit on my lap here. It's this broad. I don't know whether the camera can take in everything. Alright, and I'm gonna set it on the floor. Pull the box out. And put it here. Alright, give me a second, let me check it on camera. Alright, everything's right there. Okay, so plastics wise, this is pretty soft plastics on the side here. I think this is built by HSP. So parts wise, you still can get it from your Redcat dealers. They still stock majority of the parts here. I'll try and bring the camera over and have a once over of the vehicle. I think the specs can be found online in most places, except here we'll try and give you a closer look. Okay, let's put it under the light. All right, these shocks are huge. Okay, feels really stiff. I think because it's a rally setup, right? So I don't know what sort of shock oil is inside, but I'm interested to service the shocks and see what happens. Over here we flow down to the electronics. All right, so they have this huge heatsink fan here. I think this motor is a maybe 40 by 92, 4092 kV. This is a 150 amp ESC, but it doesn't look like the quick run WPBL 150 amp. It looks something else. The fan is a lot bigger. It can run a maximum of 6S, but I've managed to get a hold of the Max 6, and I want to swap in a Max 6. I'm just not sure whether this plugs can reach the ESC and how am I supposed to mount that ESC. So I have to look into that project a little bit later on in the day today. They have this middle chassis brace here, so to stiffen up the vehicle right through the center. And the drive shaft is thick. Let me just turn on that light, whether I can turn on the light here. No, I can't. That's okay. Alright, flow to the rear. I think you can see there's a the drive shafts are really thick, a bit loose though, but that's alright. Tires, alright, tires feels okay for general use and general bashing. Okay, the lugs are pretty thick. I think it will bite some off-road and get some good grip off-road. My only concern is the splitter on the front. It's a bit low, so I'm just considering what kind of surfaces I can bring this vehicle on. I could probably make the ride height a little bit higher just to get a bit more clearance. Alright, so I could get maybe a max of you know, 1.5 inches underneath here to get a bit more clearance, but other than that it should be pretty good. Alright, so let's get the shell back on. Alright, I have not fitted it well into the post yet, but this is the overall look. This is how it looks like. Okay, pretty cool. Now let's do a quick comparison with the X-Maxx, okay? Okay, here we go. From the front, okay, the width looks about the same. From the top, I think the wheelbase of the Rampage is yeah, probably the same as the X-Maxx. So it has a very similar wheelbase to the X-Maxx, except that because of the body shell, it extends outwards further to the front and rear. It gives a sense that the car is bigger. But from a chassis perspective, wheelbase, track width, it is actually the same as the X-Maxx. So here's just a quick unboxing. I've done it. I hope you guys enjoyed what you see. This is I don't know, maybe it might be the first Redcat Rampage XR in Singapore, so you know, I'm pretty excited to get this guy up and running. So again, thanks for watching, folks. I'll post up more information on this vehicle once I get the modifications up and running, and then hopefully the weather's changing, we're gonna get it out in the open area in Tampines and let it make some runs. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Reza, Monster XRC signing out.